Hello everybody, what's good? We are back at it again with another video. Of course, we got the lovely DJI Mavic Mini 2. We have an iPad giveaway, so please stick to the end of the video to get the details of the iPad giveaway. Unless you guys want to know, then comment section me below. And so, yeah, I don't really know where to go. I just seen the UPS truck. So maybe we should go. Smooth move, trying to put this on with my glasses. Where did the UPS truck go? Crud. That thing drops. I think I am on. I can't see crud. I'm not even gonna take these stupid glasses off. Hey, look, I can see. There's Ariel. Is there any trees by me? These trees are my worst enemy. I think I'm over here. Yeah, there I am. You can see the drone. Let's take it out and see a quick aerial view. Can't take it up too high. There was helicopters in the sky. This thing is sturdy. It's not even moving around. Maybe it is. But the stabilization makes it seem like it's not. This drone is dope, man. I would take it over there, but I don't trust the wind. So right now flying low. Is that me? I would take it through there, but that's really dangerous to kids, so probably not. Just slams down, man. Where is it? Oh, there it is. This thing is pretty precise. Oh shit. I thought for sure I was crashing into me. Oh man, this thing is lots of fun. The only thing I just don't like is, I mean, it's good for the level, it's good for the, you know how the camera tilts down? That's the only thing I don't like, but it's good for the airflow. Hey, look, there I am. I was hoping I was gonna get lost. Thing just rips. Not one glitch at all. guys heard it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh, that was not. That was stupid. That was stupid. Oh my god. Oh, look at. Catch it if you can, sucker. Stupid. That was stupid. Oh my god. Oh, look at. Catch it if you can, sucker. Oh. Okay, here comes Raya. Alright. I better stop. These people? Where are those people? Hey, you guys! Back! Hey! Back over there where you were! Take Raya! There's people? Oh, there they are. Alright, let's go back to where I was. Alright, I guess that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe. Sorry, I know it's really windy. Please like and subscribe for more videos. We do more videos like this, and plus once we hit 1,000 subscribers we're going to be doing a giveaway. So we love you guys. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, love, and happiness. Alright, we'll catch you guys on tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching. I'm just burning up this 4K. I ain't gonna lie, it looks pretty identical to the first generation. But, alright. Alright, you guys. We love you. Catch you guys on the next one.
Dad, I'm on the drone.
You guys, I gotta go land it. Hey, they're never gonna catch up to it.
Oh god. Oh god. Holy snap. They're gonna die.
No, they're not. I've been flying this pretty good, actually. Look, I'm gonna tire them out.
Here's the thing, Dad. They'll never get tired of drones. It's true. One time, but
Look at Ariel's throwing rocks at it.
he's trying to break it. Just fly up. Fly away up.
Hey!
Oh my God.
Ariel!
What? What? What'd she do?
Raya!
What'd she do?
Oh my god!
What did Ariel do?
Ariel! Come on, man!
What did Ariel do?
Nothing, Tiana.
Come on, let's. I want to know. Please.
She tried to throw a stick at the drone and it hit Raya in the face.
Oh my God.
Raya's cold now.
Poor baby.
I gotta land this drone.
Oh God. Land it. Let's see. Landing far away from these heathens. Oh God. Oh God.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
No? Okay. Yeah, you should probably run. Yeah, you should probably fly the drone away from them.
Ah, these sensors. Ah! These sensors are too powerful. Oh, you gotta grab it from the front so the sensors won't see you.
Oh.
Dude, that was the most scariest part of this whole flight.
Oh, Ariel trying to throw stuff at them.
Ariel, come on, man, why'd you do that? Did you tell Ryan sorry?
Yes. Okay.
Alright, that's it.
Class! Follow me! No.
Alright, don't touch. Stop, man. Don't.
Follow